In this video I'll show you how to change the drive letter of your Google Drive, or in general how to change drive letters and paths in Windows 11. Here I have the Google Drive and it's the G drive, and I want another drive to be the G drive. I want Google Drive to be something else. And one really useful tip is to change the name of the drives. Add in the name. You can really just press 2 times on the drive and rename it. And then in the Google Drive options, you have the option to choose the other partition letter, and you will have to restart your computer after you do that. Until the restart, the drive letter will not be changed, but after the restart, you will have another drive letter, and you can also switch the drive letters from the disk management. First, I do the swap of the letters in the name of the drive itself to know which one is the old G drive and which one is the old T drive. Here I have the crucial T500 NVMe SSD, and then the G drive is Samsung T7 Shield. I use another letter in between, so because you cannot swap the letters from one to another, you have to use somewhere an intermediate letter. So the crucial T500 now is T, but it will become G as you see from the name, and the T7 Shield is now G, but it becomes P after that. You see, the name really helps there. Now you go into the disk management and you change drive letter. It's really simple there, and you do the same for both drives. You can assign any free letter to the drive, and now the drives are swapped. They are how I wanted them to be. Here I had some files in the old G drive, so I want to move these files, or even better, to copy them. You can copy them or move them, it's up to you. And by the way, this is a video made from the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I just wanted to show you the bitrate. This is ProRes 422 HQ, and it's 4K 120 frames per second, and the bitrate is only 2.6 gigabits per second. It's really crazy. I don't know. The file is very large. I don't know why you would want to use this. I mean, I understand it's really the bestest quality, but it's a few seconds, really barely. How much is this? Just 35 seconds, and it's 111 giga. Yeah, I just did a mental calculation using my calculator app on the computer, and it's about 300 mega per second. So that was the average bitrate, I guess. But this, I was using it as a test from the iPhone, and maybe it's not too bad. Maybe, okay, 11 giga for 35 seconds. If you really need it, the best quality, that's how you get the best quality from a phone. But I guess at this point you use a camera, I don't know. Now these disks are swapped, and I'm doing the file transfer from one to the other. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.